Hello guys, today I'm starting a new course on Arduino in which I will explain all the basic to advanced topics of Arduino. By the end of this course, you'll be able to make cool Arduino projects. In this course, I will teach you about Arduino hardware, software and basic components of Arduino. Also, if you don't have Arduino right now, you can still learn it via Arduino simulations which will be covered in this course. In this course we will be focusing on Arduino Uno board. So let's get started. So this is the Arduino Uno board that we will use for the rest of the course. Arduino is a microcontroller based open source electronic prototyping board which can be programmed with an easy to use Arduino integrated development environment. So Arduino boards are used for various applications such as robotics, automation, sensors and IoT Internet of Things projects. By connecting it to a range of sensors, actuators and other components, you can create interactive systems that can sense and respond to the environment. Now we will move on to Arduino hardware. So you can see all the hardware components in front of you. So this is the main PCB board on which our hardwares are connected. So this one is the USB connector. It serves two purposes. It powers up the Arduino and it loads the code from Arduino IDE to the Arduino board. So this is a power port which is used to power Arduino using AC to DC adapter or via a battery. This black rectangular chip is the microcontroller which is the brain of the Arduino board. It has 28 pins and it is Atmega 328P by Atmel company, and it has following components. It has a flash memory of 32 kilobyte. The program loaded from Arduino IDE is stored in the flash memory. It has a RAM of 2 kilobyte. This is the runtime memory and there is a CPU in it. It controls everything that goes on within this device. It fetches the program instructions from flash memory and runs it with the help of RAM. And finally it has EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory of 1 kilobyte. So this is a non-volatile memory. It keeps the data even after the device is restart or reset. And now coming on to the pins, there are three types of pin in this Arduino. First are the digital pins like these. These are the set of the digital pins. These are the analog pins. This part is the analog pin and these are the power pin. The pins labeled as A0 to A5 are the 6 analog pins in the Arduino. These pins can read signal from an analog sensor like a temperature sensor and convert it to digital value so that the computer understands. These pins just measure the voltage and not the current because the internal resistance is very high, so that only small amount of current flows through these. So these pins only measure the voltage and not the current. The pins labeled as 0 to 13 from this side are the digital pins. These pins can be used as either an output or an input. When used as an output, these pins act as a power source for the components connected to them. When used as input, these can read the signals from the components connected to them. When digital pins are used as output, they supply a current of 40 milliamperes and 5 volt. And you can see in some of the pins there is that colon symbol is used. So these pins are used for pulse width modulation, which we'll cover in coming courses. And on this side, these are the power pins. These pins are used to either to give power to the Arduino or take power as an output from the Arduino. This red button is the reset switch which runs the program again from the start whenever you press it. And this is a crystal oscillator which ticks 16 million times a second, and on each tick a microcontroller performs one operation like addition or subtraction or multiplication, any kind of operation. And the last one is USB interface. It acts as a translator, as translates the signal coming from USB to the Arduino so that it understands. And there are also other components in Arduino like transmission and receiving LEDs, voltage regulators, which you will know when we will perform the functions in the Arduino. So guys, this is it for today. I'll be posting regular content about Arduino on this channel, and also I upload content related to science. So if you like this type of contents, you can subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, click like button.